Ulat ke Jylla C.H Vijayashankar but Shivraj Singh Chouhan Myntri ke tnad kerep ke riang jong ke sorkar pdeng mynta ke sngi ke kendai tarik Kyllalyngkot Ki plie pyrda ye ke jingrakhe dap sanpau snem jong ke ICAR Research Complex for North Eastern Hill Region but kumjuh ru ke yau pinam ki Nongrep balatip kum ke Farmers Expo. Katei sngi la sakhi ru da ke jingdonlang Conrad Sangma Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ke kong Ampareen Lyngdoh Myntri ke tnad kerep ke riang ke Jylla Himanshu Pathak Secretary DARE but Director General ke ICAR New Delhi but kiwe ki he sorkar jong ke Jylla. Hapakren katei sngi na kaliang ulat ke Jylla C.H Vijayashankar uloong bekeri India kadai ke babon ki Nongrep but kerep ke riang ke Shong ha ke donut jong ki ba. Ula banjur ba ka ICR ke don hakmat ha ke jingwat benya bat jing penroi ha keri. Na kerep keriang ke thung ketep bat ke jingri ki bala penkiu bat pen mentoi ki Nongrep ha ke than bat ke ni ke Jylla ke deiru ke bariu spa ha ke jing penmi ki marep na du using ushinrai bat kiwe ki marep.
थोड़ा जानकारी दीजिए.
Yeah, explain, please explain.
Sir, this is the biochar, sir, produced from
Bamboo.
So these are all even we have produced a few.
So these are some of the varieties which you have released.
These are necro-aerobic.
इस क्षेत्र के जो अनुसूचित रेगमेंट की
सभी लोग सर की तरफ देख
So these are the diversities for horticultural crops and
हल्दी सर ये हमारा हल्दी वर्ल्ड फेमस है और इसका अलग से मिशन चलता है. इसमें 12% हमारा प्रतिबिंब होता है, इससे 12%.
Whereas in case of Northeast, always you have to keep one thing in the mind. If at all you are able to get pure air and pure water, even in this given situation, if at all you are supposed to get pure air and pure water, you keep in mind the first place goes to Meghalaya and Northeast. And second thing, I have to bring it to your notice. If at all you feel the hub of medicinal plants, the hub of Ayurveda, I am so proud to say, if at all you feel you have to find a hub of Ayurveda, in that way also first place goes to Northeast, particularly Meghalaya. That too particularly Meghalaya is being treated as a hub of Ayurveda, hub of medicinal plants. Shivraj, as you know, I am from Karnataka. We also used to grow turmeric in our area. That too particularly I am from Mysore. In our area, we used to grow turmeric. But whereas in case of our area, whatever turmeric we used to grow, the curcumin ratio, it is only 3.7, maximum 4.2. But whereas here in case of Meghalaya, I am proud to say the crocodile ratio of Meghalaya is 8.7 up to 8.9. Highest in the country. Highest in the country. Not only turmeric, you take entire northeast, either turmeric, ginger, that too particularly in Meghalaya, black rice, white rice, many of the other products we can point out here. In that way, whatever decision you have taken today, if at all you are going to take it personally, you take it personally, particularly Northeast, that too particularly farming committee, they remain ever grateful to you people. We remain grateful to you for your work. Not only agriculture, in case of tourism, if at all you are supposed to say a hub of tourism, in that way also first prize goes to Meghalaya. First prize goes to Meghalaya. It is a hub of tourism. It is a hub of medicinal plants. It is a hub of Ayurveda. So in that way, you have to concentrate much. Here, particularly Northeast.